Hey everyone, do you like gardening? You know, there's nothing like the feel of dirt in your hands. You know, a lot of people put on gloves, I know, so they don't get dirt between their fingernails, but I don't know. I just like connecting to the ground. I like feeling that dirt. So this is our area, a garden area with our raised beds. How we started the raised beds is in the bottom, there's bales of straw, and then we put in manure, and you can put in sticks and just whatever, because that's the next layer of filtration, and it also biodegrades. And then on top we have our own fertilizer, homemade fertilizer from our cows that has been sitting in a pile for over a year. And then we put that down on top. And our next step is I do use a potting soil. It protects against over and underwatering, and it has some fertilizer. And also we put in some little bit of sand on top. I forgot about that layer. So a little bit of sand, then that. So now it's almost like a fish tank. It has good filtration, it has good drainage, and it has good feed from all the different types of stuff we put in. And I also, which I've got to get yet, is I have ash that I have saved from over the winter because we heat with wood. And I sprinkle that on top before I put the potting soil on. All things that are good and nutrient filled so that you get a nice healthy garden. Some people think dirt is just dirt, but it is a ecosystem that is taken care of properly, will grow wonderfully vegetables and flowers and anything else you want to grow in it. I put some notes in the description regarding using ash from your fireplace, the benefits of it and the plants that it's really good for and the ones that it's not so good for. And also some other tips on compost. Thank you so much for watching. I really love sharing. And if you guys have any great ideas, please let me know. Comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks again.